Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete your BingX account. If you are looking to permanently delete your BingX account, then first of all, before you proceed, make sure you withdraw all of your funds and close any open orders on BingX. Once you delete your account and all the data cannot be recovered and you won't be able to use the same email or phone number again, so make sure you are sure you want to delete your account. Once you made sure that you have withdrawn all your funds and closed open orders, go ahead and get to the home page of BingX and then go to the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. From the expanded menu, click on Security Center. Under Security Center, scroll all the way down and look for the Delete Account button. Tap on it and then follow through the deletion process. Account deletion is irreversible, and once deleted, the account cannot be recovered or used again. So if you are sure you'd like to delete your account, click on Apply for Deletion at the bottom. You can export your transaction records by tapping the Export button at the bottom right so that you can keep a backup of it. And after you do that, click the Delete Account button to proceed with the deletion. Sign into your BingX or use your passkey to confirm, and then your deletion request has been submitted. The review should be completed within 1 work day. Upon approval, the account will be deleted. So that is how you will easily delete your BingX account if you no longer wish to continue using it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.